Welcome to InterConnecta Academy, your channel for learning and mastering Zoho. Welcome to today's class. In this video, we'll learn how to set up the synchronization between Zoho Campaigns and Zoho CRM. This feature will allow us to keep contact and lead data updated instantly across both platforms. So to start the sync, we go to the Contact section and then choose Sync Services. In this case, since I already have one active, I see the option to create a new sync with Zoho CRM, or if you don't have any, you'll click on Create Sync. Once on this screen, we have to select the module we want to synchronize. We can choose, in this case, between leads, contacts, or custom modules. Once the module is selected, we can optionally choose the mailing list we want to sync the records with. And since in this case, I selected the leads module, I have the option to remove leads converted to contacts from the list after starting the sync. Notice also that we have the option to create a new list if needed. Next, we select the subscription type for our contacts, which can be marketing or non-marketing. Keep in mind that contacts under the marketing subscription will receive marketing communications. And optionally, in this case, we can link these records to a campaign topic we already have configured, or we'll have the marketing topic that comes standard with our tool. Non-marketing contacts won't receive any email marketing campaign emails, and if you've enabled GDPR compliance, you'll have to select the legal basis for communication and then activate the option to update the consent status from Zoho CRM. Then we can optionally activate the update of empty fields, meaning this will allow us to remove values from assigned fields when those values are deleted within Zoho CRM. In the advanced options, we can enable several important settings. For example, we can exclude contacts who have opted out of receiving emails, or delete CRM records that are no longer needed in Zoho Campaigns. These options will help you maintain a cleaner and more focused contact list. Once you start the sync, you'll be allowed to map fields between Zoho CRM and Zoho Campaigns, and although the basic fields are already pre-assigned, you'll be able to add new custom fields if you want to sync additional data. After setting everything up, we click Start to begin the synchronization, and then to review its details, we select Active Syncs in Sync Services, from where we can edit the sync, pause it, or resume it as needed. Finally, it's very important for you to know that you can see the complete history of synced contacts, which includes details such as the number of contacts added, updated, or skipped. This record will allow you to better understand how your data has been managed over time. And that's all for today. Remember to keep your contacts updated and organize your campaigns effectively. See you in the next tutorial.